Thank you for joining me here at Oliver Motors. Oliver Motors has two great locations, 246 West Main Street, Sun Prairie, and 315 South Boulevard in Baraboo. We are currently walking around a 2015 GMC Terrain SLT all-wheel drive. Now, the GMC Terrain has pretty much not changed in style or appearance since its introduction back in 2010. And for anybody who knows the automotive business, that's a lifetime. But when it comes to look and style, why change something if it's not broke? The GMC Terrain stands out for its comfortable ride, the power that's behind it, and its tough, rugged look. If you're shopping for a crossover that's great on road trips and highway journeys, the GMC Terrain is probably one of the best in its class. It's quiet, has a ton of space, has a ton of eyeball with that truck look appeal, but yet the nice warm body lines to give it that nice SUV style. Being a GMC, they do give you some extra features like the chrome wheels, the chrome backing on the rear, on the side mirrors, the chrome door handles, opening up the inside, the two-tone interior. Great features like power locks, power mirrors, power windows, all easily accessible right there at the driver's fingertips on the door. That Pioneer stereo system giving you that upgraded sound. Power seats on the driver's side with memory. Two-tone leather interior. I mean, just a ton of great features that the GMC Terrain gives you. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is going to be your cruise control. As you can see, it also does have the adaptive. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel is going to be your radio controls and hands-free. As we move over, the stick on the back, left-hand side is going to be your headlamps, blinkers, and brights. On the right-hand side is going to be your front wipers and rear wipers. Taking a look at that dash, a nice bright LED display, making it easy to see whether it's the middle of the afternoon or late at night. And talk about easy to see, on top of that center stack, a nice big screen, backup camera that shows up, AM, FM, XM radio, all included in this gorgeous vehicle. Your radio controls down below, your climate controls. Climate controls also include heated front seats, CD player, along with that media controls up above. A lot of great storage. As you can see, the little cubby hole in front of the shifter, your two cup holders, a nice big glove box on the passenger side. Center armrest, it does fold up, giving you a little tray on top, and then a bigger, deep storage compartment down below. The key fob, and as you can see on the key fob, that does have lock, unlock, and it does have a remote start also. Here's that center armrest I was talking about with your USB port and your multimedia control or imports down below underneath there. Up above, you're going to take a look at all the controls for the lights up above and also the sunroof that this gorgeous vehicle does have. As I step out, we're going to take a look at that. A nice big sunroof that does go over the driver and passenger compartment. Just a ton of great features in this beautiful SLT Terrain. As you walk around to the back door, opening it up, you're going to see that two-tone interior again. The thing I love is look at the amount of room that this vehicle gives you. It is a 5-passenger and a spacious 5-passenger vehicle. That center armrest does fold down in case you have one or two people in the back, giving you two cup holders in the back and also an armrest. The back seat does fold down for a nice level plateau in either a 60 or 40 split, or drop them both down if you need to use that full back. Talking about the back end, as we walk around to the back side, taking a look at the all-wheel drive badging and popping open that back door, this does have a power assist rear gate. And look at the amount of room that is in that bag storage compartment. Big cargo area. Lift up the floor. You have your jack, spare tire jack assembly. Dropping that back down. Again, you can see that split in the back seat where you can drop both of those back seats or just one or the other side for more cargo space. As we drop that power hatch and walk back around to the front, we're going to open up the hood and take a look at this 3.6-liter V6 motor that's powering this gorgeous vehicle. Again, all the chrome that is on this gorgeous vehicle. It's one of the things about the GMC line is they give you the extra step above. Everything you need to check or fill is easily accessible right up on top and brightly colored. Safety features like crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, front and rear are all included. If you'd like to see more information, get more information, visit us at olivermotors.com.